Hello everyone, myself Rohit Kumar Kaliyar, and today I am going to discuss about the political sentiment analysis using Twitter data. So, as we discussed it, first, what are the topics we are going to discuss in the next few minutes? So, our project is basically the political sentiment analysis using Twitter data, and this is our outline. That introduction, the background, the main objective behind this project, the methodology that I have used to solve the problem, implementation and result, and the conclusion and final references. So the first thing is introduction. Introduction means the what is a sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis, or we can say the opinion mining, is basically a field of concept that break down the individual feeling. It means the person feeling, the individual person feeling, the notions, the assessment, the mentalities of the people, and the feeling from the written language. Written language can be English. So basically find the mentality and the feeling of the people. And using this political sentiment, our main goal of this project is to find the popularity of different politicians or party leaders of different major parties of India. So in our proposed framework, the goal is to all to relate some semantics with the Twitter data in the field of politics. So this is our system architecture. So in our system architecture, the first we have Twitter. We use the Twitter because it's a large information data set. Then under the fundamental analysis process, there's basically three segments are there. The first one is data pre-processing. The next is classification, and then sentiment analysis is scoring. And to visualize the final output result, we use the bar chart, the spider chart, and the pie slice chart. So this is the complete architecture of the system architecture of the sentimental analysis. So as we say that our proposed framework's goal is to relate the some semantics. Semantics means that after using the Twitter data for the positive and the negative ones, so give our some semantics that okay these political party are doing well, and these are the people sentiment or people feeling about this political party is strong or not. So background. So P. Pang and Ren Lee, they have started the first work on the sentimental analysis, and they explained about the maximum classification techniques for the movie data. They basically starting from the movie data, and they have used the Navis and the SVM support vector machine and the maximum interval algorithm that have been used. Next is P. Pang and Lee. So these have described the various approaches using methodology and the new challenges in the field of sentiment analysis. The next is as BERT, they have to use the NLTK, the Natural Language Toolkit for the sentiment analysis, and the H. Wang, they have used the first sentiment analysis in the 2012 US poll prediction. So in the 2012 poll prediction, so sentiment techniques using the social networking of the Twitter data they have been used. The next is S, Parak and V. Chavan. They have proposed a system based on the NLP and machine learning algorithms. The next is L. Jang and MU. They have proposed the target dependent classifiers. And the next is C.10 and L.Lee. They have suggested in improvisation in the user level sentiment analysis. And the APARC. They have proposed a system for the emotion used in the tweet. So this sentiment is based on the copy-based approach. So these are the basic backgrounds related to the political or related to sentiment analysis. So in the sentiment analysis, only the H. Wang and the F. Bar, they have started the work in the 2000 using the US 2012 poll prediction. So basic objective of this project. So main objective of this project to perform the sentiment analysis on Indian political parties like BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, Indian National Congress, the Aam Aadmi Party. Such these parties are the major party that are the ruling in the various state or centrally in the India. So such that the people opinion about before when the BJP came in the power in the 2014, everything is going smooth, but suddenly In the 2016, the demonetizations comes and various GST comes. So after that, the people feelings about these political party BJP is a, you can say, is a research topic of many researcher to find the which polarity of the people of the about the favor of this party or not. So this is our goal to main objective, that build a classifier based on the supervised learning techniques, and before demonetization time period and after demonetization time period. We find the data, we collect the data, Twitter data, and then find the sentiment analysis. Okay, the methodology that I have used through the study of the existing approaches, techniques in the field of sentiment analysis, then the collection of data. That is a major thing, the collection of data from the Twitter with the help of Twitter API, reprocessing of data that uh, collected from the Twitter. So, and build a classifier, training and testing build using dataset and computing the result of different classifier using this dataset from Twitter. So, the comparing result of each classifier and plotting a graph for the positive and sentiment. So, implementation experimental result. So, an experimental result first a Twitter API, then data collection, data storage, data preprocessing, feature extraction, classification, and result. So, if we talk about that methodology, to starting from the that we have collected the data from the JSON format, and after the pre-processing, removal of the hashtag and various punctuation, then come to the feature extraction method, and then after the feature extraction, then come to the classification. So various technique, various steps used in this project. So if you talk about that various steps, in the first there are four figures in a single slide. The first one is the data is extracting in the form of JSON. The second one is that some pre-processing techniques are using on the data, and the third one is data is using we extracted the one column data from CSV files, and then using some pre-processing techniques, then find the output data that are coming. So these type of technique, and fourth one is using some stop words, some positive or negative words in the sentimental data, and then find which type of positive and negative words are coming. So this is the whole about the sentiment analysis, political sentiment analysis. And if we talk about the result, the final result, so as per in the 2016 data, so BJP of Indian Congress, they have this positive 55.5 and 45.5% data, and the ARP is 42.56 and 57.44, and then the Congress is 20.10 and 79.90. These are the as per 2016 data. These are the statistics. But if I have taken the data from November 2016 to till July 2017, and using this 9th month segmented data, we came to a conclusion that if we talk about the sentiment score, final sentiment score. So positive sentiment score is approach sentiment score is 27, but negative sentiment score is 19 for the BJP. And if we talk about the Indian National Congress, the negative sentiment score are more. So the people opinion about these political parties are, we can say that the BJP, the people's opinion and the favor, and the other parties, they have to make their policies, or they have to think about the uh, people welfare in the coming election, so they can win. But the people, more faith in the Bharatiya Janata Party. So this came to a conclusion using various classification and techniques, and this type of data, using this type of data set. So thank you so much, and this is our final conclusion. This project is finally helpful to find the sentiment of the people after demonetization, and helpful in the policy making for the government purpose and the political parties purpose, suggestion for improvement in the GDP growth. That okay, these the step I have taken and what other steps we have taken, because after the demonetization, the RBS GDP growth is becoming less, and it is also the final in the favor of the public interest. So these are the final conclusion of this, and these are, thank you so much.